You've never seen a machine like this before, because nothing like it has existed. Yet the world needs it more than ever. A device designed to continually cultivate soil bacteria. This is Bayer Biotech. Fully autonomous, affordable, clean technology powered by AI as a result of 7 years of continuous research and development. This machine can produce the organic equivalent of 16 tons of synthetic fertilizer in just 12 hours. But how is it different? Synthetic fertilizers damage the soil and ecosystem. What your soil and plants really need are living bacteria. By applying living bacteria to the soil, you can significantly reduce the use of synthetic fertilizers within 1 to 4 years. But why? What's the point? It's pretty straightforward. Plants grew and thrived before artificial fertilizers existed. Despite this, many synthetic fertilizers are used in modern agriculture, causing an exponential increase in other problems. More than 50% of synthetic fertilizer is wasted and pollutes waterways. And what are we doing? We're adding more fertilizer, which causes an imbalance in the microbiome and kills almost all life in the soil. Not to mention the high transport and energy costs and CO2 emissions it generates. So why are we still using it? And why didn't we need it before? The truth is that all soil on planet Earth has all the nutrients that plants need to grow. But what it needs, because of the current approach in modern agriculture, is life. The soil microbiome consists of organisms such as bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and nematodes, which make all nutrients available to plants. Primarily, plants have increased resistance to stress and drought. A balanced soil microbiome promotes a lumpy soil structure that allows water to flow smoothly to different soil depths and the roots to grow deeper, so the soil can breathe as more air flows through it. With an optimal microbiome in the soil, the plants are more resistant to pests and pathogens. Using organic fertilizers eliminates nitrogen contamination of groundwater, waterways, and reservoirs from synthetic fertilizers. Together, these factors mean a reduced usable water consumption of up to 70%.
The soil is a complex matrix that is composed of inorganic and organic parts. The chemization of agriculture threatens and eliminates living components of the soil. Biologization in farming and the use of effective microorganisms in agriculture may restore overall soil health and can significantly reduce use of synthetic fertilizers.
The machine uses the technology of 5 patents and is the result of more than 7 years of development. But this is a technology that every farmer can afford. With Bayer, you'll see a return on investment in less than a year. This machine is worth $200 billion, as much as the fertilizer market itself.
Through a collaborative effort involving experts in diverse fields such as microbiology, agriculture, engineering, development, and precision manufacturing, we have crafted a truly unique solution poised to revolutionize the entire industry.
You connect the machine to prepare the cost-effective medium and inject bacteria. We supply you with what you need based on a biological analysis of your soil and the plants you want to grow. The machine does all the work, controlling over 15 process parameters crucial for the organism's proper growth. At the end of the process, continuous and final control of product quality and quantity is carried out using a unique autonomous microscopy with sophisticated artificial intelligence. The farmer only needs to apply 15 liters of organic fertilizer per hectare. You only need a small amount of product because the application of the bacteria into the soil is carried out directly during the sowing process together with the seeds, where the colonization of the emerging root system and the mediation of nutrients from the soil to the plant subsequently takes place. Your organic fertilizer is produced on-site, without limitation of quantity, transport costs, or dependence on external suppliers. So the more organic fertilizer you produce, the cheaper it is. By By building a healthy microbiome in your field and reducing synthetic fertilizer use by 25% to 75%, the math adds up fast. Bayer Biotech. Available by the end of 2024.